Hi guys, this video tutorial is for absolute beginner who want to learn how to crochet, and for this project we'll use a cotton yarn, 4.5 mm crochet hook and a yarn needle. So first we are going to take a yarn, okay, and we are going to make a slip knot. So you can follow me right there, and we are going to create a little loop just like that, and you're going to insert your hook through the loop, okay, and you're going to hold the yarn with your left hand, and what you're gonna do is take that yarn and pull it through the loop you just made. So that is your first chain. We are going to do the same thing, your second chain, third, and you are going to follow the same steps until you have 13 chains. Okay, so you need to count, you just need 13 chains. All right. Once you are done with your 13 chains, we are going to make single crochet, and for that you are going to insert the hook into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn over. So now you have 2 stitches on your hook. Again pull the yarn over through those 2 stitches. That's your first single crochet. Again insert the hook, pull the yarn over and pull the yarn over through those 2 stitches, and keep doing that until the end of the row. Once you are done, you are going to count your stitches to make sure that you have 12 stitches, and if you do, you are going on the right track. Okay, so just count your stitches, it should be 12, and then you're going to do chain 1 and flip your work. So in the next row, stitches will look like this, and what you're going to do is insert your hook into that first stitch, pull the yarn over and pull the yarn over through those 2 stitches, and that's your first single crochet. Same thing in the second chain. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over, pull the yarn over through those 2 stitches, and that's your second single crochet. So you're going to repeat this until the end of the row. Once you're with the row, what you're going to do is you're going to make chain 1 and turn the work and make single crochet until the end of the row, and make chain 1, turn the work and make single crochet until the end of the row. So we are going to basically follow the same steps, and we will do this until we have 12 rows for this project. Okay, and I'll meet you at the 12th row. So this is our last row we are going to work on, which is the 12th row, and just do single crochet until the end of the row. So once you're done, pull the yarn and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. So now with the help of the yarn needle, you are going to pull the yarn through the several loops, and will make sure that it is secured. And just cut the remaining yarn. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other end of the remaining yarn. Front of your work, this is back of your work. Okay, so your front work should look something like this, and don't get rid of your work because you can use this as little coaster. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.